How to use LegalZoom registered agent service properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. LegalZoom's registered agent service keeps your business compliant, but beginners often misuse it and risk missed legal notices or penalties. The first mistake is not updating contact information. Your registered agent receives critical documents, lawsuits, tax notices, or official government correspondence. If your address or agent details are outdated, important notices may be missed. Another common error is trying to act as your own registered agent without understanding obligations. LegalZoom ensures availability during business hours, which is required in most states. Acting as your own agent and missing deadlines can create fines or default judgments. Many users overlook the distinction between business and personal mail. LegalZoom provides a professional address for compliance purposes. Mixing personal mail with official notices can create confusion or even legal issues. Neglecting renewal is another pitfall. Registered agent services require ongoing fees. Letting the service lapse can jeopardize your business's good standing and cause penalties. Finally, some assume notifications are immediate. LegalZoom alerts you promptly, but checking emails and dashboards regularly is essential to respond to legal documents on time. To use LegalZoom registered agent service properly, update contact information, understand the agent's responsibilities, separate business and personal mail, maintain timely renewals, and monitor notifications. Avoid these mistakes, and your business will stay compliant and secure.